Okay, y'all, it's been a minute since I've put up a video, but in this video, I'm showing you how I go through the process of braiding my hair because a lot of you asked if I do it myself. Yes, I do. Shout out to RastAfri. Oh, Callie. Shout out to RastAfri Braiding Hair. They have some of the best quality hair. Now, you guys know that I take my braids down in 24 hours, just to be a little dramatic, but I actually left these braids in for almost a month, so be proud. And it's all because the quality of the hair was amazing. I'm just very impulsive. They also have this spray called Stank Off, which you could put on prior to putting the hair in or after. It smells amazing. So I had a little time where the kids were gone, husband was gone, and I just had my little one. So I had plenty of downtime. So yes, I braid my own hair. I like to use the rubber band method for some of the braids, more so like in the middle of my hair rather than all the way around. And it's super easy. I am self-taught. I just watch YouTube videos and all that good stuff. For the rubber band method, I do like to put oil on the rubber band so it's not pulling and adding more attention to the hair. And I do like to use some type of like edge control or soft jelly to blend my hair in with the braiding hair. Now this hair was already like naturally like layered. It smelled great. You know, some hair have it got a weird little smell, but it smelled great. It was already layered. It was super soft, so easy to pull apart and to maintain. They also have different types of braiding hair. I usually go to the beauty supply store, but I fell in love with this brand, and I'm so glad that I can share it with y'all because I know a lot of people ask me when I get braids what type of braiding hair I use, and I don't always like to share it because I don't think that it's always the best quality, but you will not go wrong if you choose this braiding hair. It took me, I want to say, it took me like 5 or 6 hours, y'all. And that's because I kept taking breaks at that to check on my baby because she was laying on the couch. But yeah, so my parts be a little crooked, but I do the best that I can. I'm pregnant, so I needed something in my hair to just give me a break for a second. And I was real close to putting some braids in my oldest hair because I'm waddling around at this point in my pregnancy, and I need a break from doing all this natural hair in the house. So I usually part my hair in like four little boxes. So two sides, whichever way I want my part to go. And then in the back, I do like a split it down the middle and kind of just take my time. So like I said, you see me blending the hair here. And again, Callie, the hair is really soft. It's easy for me to blend my hair. I did not straighten my hair. I did blow my hair. Look at the crooked part. Look at it. Anyway, I'm still cute. I did not straighten my hair. I just blew my hair out on cold air, which sometimes takes longer than hot air, obviously. But this is how you protect your hair from heat damage. After all, it's a protective style, so you don't want to damage your hair in the process. So I do blow my hair out on cold air before I put my braids in. But yeah, I'm over the whole having to comb my hair. And yes, I did take my braids down in 20 days, almost a month. But I promise you guys, it was worth it. It was worth putting the braids in. The hair was cool. Again, I'm really big on when your hair, when you open like new braiding hair or like a wig or whatever, it has that weird smell. And I don't know what it is. But again, this hair did not have a funky smell at all, which was a shocker to me, honestly, because any hair that I get, like braiding hair, it always has like a weird smell. Again, you can use like the Stank Off spray that they do have. Hell, even if it's for a different type of braiding hair, they just have different accessories and things that you can purchase outside of the braiding hair for other hair or whatever. Again, they also have different types of hair. So Next, I think I'm going to try, because yes, I'm going to braid my hair again. Next, I think I'm going to try, they have like a really nice braiding hair, but it's curly. So I usually put my hair in plaits and then curl the ends. So I'm going to try that next. But it came out so cute. Put the spray on in there. Yeah, it came out too cute. Again, I didn't keep it in for long, but that's besides the point. But it's so neat. It lasts as long as you need it to last. But mine was itching because, you know, I didn't wash it prior to, which I didn't even know that was a thing. Anyways, y'all, check them out. Hit the description. I'll leave all the details. Bye.